Good morning and welcome back to the channel. We're on our last full day here at Rhos Country Park Caravan site. It's been quite a cold few days. We had a bit of excitement yesterday. We had some fire engines on site, so that wrecked my plans while Karen and her sister went into spa. So unfortunately I didn't get out anywhere yesterday because they were booked in the afternoon, and we had some lunch in the restaurant on site, and while we were in there, fire engines turned up. There was some kind of electrical fire at the top end of the facility block, so that were all sorted anyway. So today we're going to go out and about. Like I say, it's his last full day here, and it's been a very cold, cutting wind down here. It's been dry, I must admit, but that wind's been bitter. So today we're going to go out and about, probably go to coast somewhere and just have some sea air somewhere. I'm not sure where we're going to go to. But if you want to join us, please go and watch this video and you'll find out what we get up to. Right, we'll see you later on. Bye for now. Let's get ready. Right, we've travelled down and we're just for the side of Colwyn Bay. We're at Rhos-on-Sea. Lovely beach. Years since I've been here as well. I think kids were very little when we come here last. So we're going to have a wander around Rhos-on-Sea. Certainly a good beach, from what I remember of it. So Colwyn Bay's over there. So you can walk all the way along promenade if you want. It's got a little harbour up there. The bungalows there with their sea view. It's an impressive building, isn't it? Mount Stewart Hotel. So it's free parking till 1st of May, is it?
On this top it looks like it's
what we can understand from that sign anyway. There's no parking meters there anyway. Yeah, we took kids there, didn't we? Marionette Theatre. Must be about 40 odd years ago, that. Yeah, you got picnic benches. Less to do with coffee thing, I don't know. But yeah, you can sit and have your picnic. Get over the beach. Yeah. There's some very nice properties though, isn't there?
Yeah, I could always remember that anyway.
Yes, they certainly invested, aren't they? It's all new, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, got some lounges. There's no towels on them. So you can follow a Rhos-on-Sea heritage trail. So there's all little things dotted around. A wicker fishing man. So when we go out, we'll drive along road to this road takes you to Llandudno, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Little shopping centre up there. That's where the Rhos Abbey would have been then. Yeah. It's called Rhos Abbey, isn't it?
Yeah. Nice apartments.
Yeah, nice apartments. I'm surmising it's the site of the Abbey, since it's got Rhos Abbey.
Well, yeah, you think so, won't you?
Yeah. So it's one of them heritage trails signs here. Shame about that though, isn't it? Fishing Weir and Ross Pier. Fascinating easy walk history trail. At low tide you can see the remnants of the medieval fishing weir. Nice view down to the beach and everything from here. Crazy golf. Children's playground. Quite art deco, isn't it, that? It's certainly a good stunning beach though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the sweep of it right
Yeah.
there is, it's a good one.
It's nice to see that sun out. Still a cold wind, but remember years ago you used to be brown that sea, didn't it?
Same as Scarborough, that was the same.
Yeah.
It's certainly blue
It's
now.
got a tinge of blue to it now. Yes, they're certainly investing, aren't they? It's all new. Yeah, already. Yeah, no matter what you do to improve the area, there's always somebody wants to break it. Yes, there's still a bite to that wind though, isn't it? Sorry.
It's still fresh,
Yeah.
but as long as it's not wet.
Yeah, you got all metal seating, haven't you?
Yeah. Like the colours as well.
Yeah.
Nice colours, aren't they?
You got a new crazy golf? Or is it £4 per pirate? It's where you leave Rhos-on-Sea and enter Colwyn Bay. So we're going to go back up that road there.
Yeah.
Where we've parked car. So that's Rhos-on-Sea. Right, I think we're going to go on to Llandudno now. It's probably about 20 years since we're in Llandudno. It's a good view from up here though, isn't it? Right, we'll go and see how busy Llandudno is. Right, here we are, parked up in Llandudno. We'll have a wander around Llandudno. The Queen of Hearts. I like Cafe and Toppen. It's got a bit breezy. Well, we'll get something to eat. Llandudno Promenade. You want to walk on the pier? It's busy enough, isn't it, from what we're today, Tuesday, aren't we? Tuesday, yeah. It's nice to see actually. Yeah. Everybody out enjoying themselves. Yeah, they haven't they? They're miserable days we've had. Certainly sweeps round in Baywell, isn't it? Llandudno. All waiting to scavenge. Aren't you? Yeah, you've got to have a walk on the pier when you're in Llandudno.
Not many of them left, is there?
No, there isn't. And it's free to walk.
Yeah.
Yeah, you used to have to pay, didn't you? I think so. Yeah, you might still have to pay on some piers. Yeah, it's a good long pier, this one, isn't it?
That's bracing.
It is very bracing.
It is.
Got the arcades in there. Did that used to be a bar? No, thinking of another one. No, it might have always been arcades. The Great Orme just there. Cable cars aren't running anyway.
Substantial piece of rock, isn't it?
It is. It's a bit bracing at the end of this pier, must admit. Lovely view back to Llandudno Promenade. Right, we'll go back up to Llandudno. That's a bracing walk on the pier, isn't it? Blows the cobwebs away, yes. Karen's gone round to have a look at some shops, so I'll just have a wander round up by the Grand Hotel. I'll catch up here a little bit. Get a good view up here from up here. There's a stone turtle up here, I don't know what it's for. Looks like there's a lot of restoration going off up here. There's a plaque on the front, let's see what it says. Good view down though. So it's the Bardic Turtle, Royal National Eisteddfod of Wales, Llandudno, 1963. So it's a toll road that comes up here. So you pay a toll to go up to the Great Orme. So it's £5.50 for a car. Good view back to Llandudno from here. And over the pier. Right, I walk my way back down to Llandudno. So that's where you catch the cable car up to the Great Orme. Hoping there's a good viewpoint from up here. There we are. A good view over Llandudno. Certainly breezy up here though. Grand Hotel below there. Grand Hotel certainly doesn't look grand from the outside anyway. Might be nice on the inside, but a lick of paint won't go amiss. Right, hopefully this goes down to the seafront at Llandudno. Nice hotels and guest houses and apartments there. So that road takes you up to the tram that goes up to the Orme as well. Got your little mini train. Seagulls are all hanging about where hot food is. Nice little remembrance garden. 3945 and 1950-53. So that was the United Nations during the Korean War. And your cenotaph, all nicely kept, as it should be. It is a lovely place, that Llandudno, I must admit. So that's the Remembrance Garden for 1914-18. Right, we'll have a last look before I go back to the car, catch up with Caravan. I'll see it's getting a bit rough. Right, so I'm going to call it in for this video. I'm going to work his way back to site now and get ready for going home tomorrow, unfortunately. At least to have a nice dry day today. Nice to have the sunshine out as well. So if you like the day out with us today, don't forget, do the normal YouTubey stuff. And we haven't really got anything planned, but we'll probably go away at some point. So please keep an eye on the channel. There'll be new videos coming up anyway, and I've got some old ones to put up anyway from end of last year still to come up on the channel. So please click that notification bell and it'll tell you when I've uploaded them other videos. So until the next video, we'll say goodbye for now. Bye. Last look.